Oh, this is our new dishwasher, but the problem is that our old one used to have this mesh on the top that we used to have little things like chopsticks that we used to use and other items that didn't pass through. So I ended up buying this thing, and this is a stainless see-through, and it got stuck in there really good, so it won't move anywhere. It was a perfect fit. I'm able to put some of those knives and scissors and things that we use for cooking, and it's not going to go anywhere, and it's on the top area, if you guys can see. So we're going to put it in here. We already used it. I should have filmed it earlier, but the thing is, we're going to rewash stuff right now. They just came out steaming hot right now. They all survived. They'll wash really good. I like this thing. So especially because we have a lot of chopsticks that we always put in here on the top. Really convenient. If you don't have something like this, it fit perfect. It won't move. It won't budge anywhere. I kind of push it down. So if you guys are looking for something like this, they do sell ones that cover up, but I don't like that. So hope you guys enjoy this video.